Welcome back. Now today we upgrade your English in a very visible way. Till now you could form sentences but they may still sound basic. Today we fix that. We learn adjectives, the tool that makes your English sound rich, clear and expressive. Why adjectives matter? Let me show you something simple. I have a car. Correct but boring. Now I have a fast red car. Now you can see the car, right? That's the power of adjectives. They add details, add clarity, add personality. Without adjectives, your English feels flat. What is an adjective? Real concept. An adjective describes a noun, but more importantly, it adds information to meaning. Example, a house is basic. A beautiful house is now it has feeling. So adjectives don't just describe, they shape the image in the listener's mind. Types of adjectives. Now let's understand types. Descriptive, big, happy. Quantitative, some, many. Demonstrative, this, that. Possessive, me, your. Each type adds a different kind of information. So, adjectives are not just decoration, they are functional. Descriptive power. Now let's go deeper. Adjectives describe size, color, shape, quality. Example, a large beautiful house. Now compare a house versus a large beautiful house. Second one feels more real. Order of adjectives. Now this is where most learners struggle. Adjectives have an order: opinion, size, age, color, material, noun. Example, a beautiful small old red wooden chair. It sounds natural, but if you say red small beautiful chair, it feels wrong. So, English is not just about words, it is about order. Why order matters? Let's understand why. English has a natural rhythm. When you follow the order, your sentence sounds smooth. When they don't, it sounds strange. Even if the meaning is correct, it feels unnatural. And fluency is about sounding natural. Comparative adjectives. Now let's compare. Tall, taller. Fast, faster. Example, this building is taller. We use comparative adjectives when comparing two things. It helps you express difference. Superlative adjectives. Now take it one step further. Tall, tallest. Example, this is the tallest building. Now you are comparing more than two. This is very common in real conversation. Intensifiers. Advanced usage. Now let's upgrade expression. Very, really, extremely. Example, very big, extremely important. These words add intensity, but use them smartly. Instead of very, very good, say excellent. Better word choice is equal to better English. Avoid overuse. Now this is important. Many learners overuse very. This weakens your sentence. Example, very big, huge, very small, tiny. So don't just add more words, choose better words. Adjectives versus adverbs. Now a common confusion. Adjective describes noun, adverb describes verb. Example, she's quick, adjective. She runs quickly, adverb. This difference is small but very important. Real expression upgrade. Now let's upgrade real sentences. The movie was good. Now the movie was incredibly engaging. Now it sounds more natural, more expressive, more fluent. This is what adjectives do. Practice. Now your turn. I saw a car. Add details. She is happy. Make it stronger. The food is good. Improve it. Practice like this daily. This is how your vocabulary grows. Conclusion. Let's wrap this up. Adjectives. Add details. Create clarity. Improve expression. But remember, the right adjective matters more than many adjectives. So, from today, don't just speak English, describe your English.